Hi everyone. So now we are going to talk about we are going to discuss some problems, some sums on the same topic, EM waves. So first question number 1. So the same thing we will repeat. You can read the question here. Alright. So which of the following radiation has the least wavelength? Okay, that is a question, and it is also, this question is, we know about the wavelength of gamma rays and X-rays. What about alpha and beta rays? Okay, we need that comparison, so that's why I have written the comparison over here. So the answer is A. So gamma rays has the least wavelength, and we know that gamma rays has maximum frequency. But what about alpha rays and beta rays? They have less. They have more wavelength than this one. So please note this. This order, that is gamma rays, X-rays, alpha and beta. Alright. So question number 2. If E and B are the electric and magnetic field vectors of EM waves, then the direction of propagation of EM wave is along the direction of. We have learned this, and what is that answer? E cross B. So the direction will be always in the direction of E cross B. It will be perpendicular to both E and B. Alright. So again, question number 3. The frequency of X-rays, gamma rays and ultraviolet rays, UV rays, are respectively A, B, C. Then, okay. So again, you check the electromagnetic spectrum and you have to find out which frequency, in the increasing order of frequency or decreasing order of wavelength. That order you have to be very familiar at least. Okay. So the answer is A, because frequency of gamma rays is greater than frequency of X-rays, which is greater than frequency of UV rays. Okay, I told you here wavelength is minimum, frequency is maximum. Okay. Then question number 4. Alright. According to Maxwell Hypothesis, a changing electric field gives rise to changing electric field. Do you remember that experiment? Change in electric field will produce change in magnetic field, vice versa. Okay. So answer is C, magnetic field. Alright. So question number 5. In an electromagnetic wave, the electric and magnetic fields are given 100 volt per meter and 0.265 ampere per meter. The maximum energy flow is. So please listen, it's very simple question. So if we have maximum electric field and magnetic field, then the maximum rate of flow equation will be E0 into P0. So the maximum rate of flow, that is why I have given this question here. Why? Because maximum rate of energy flow equation will be E0 into B0. So you just multiply both the values. The answer will be 26.5 watt per meter square. Alright. So that is the equation. So the option is A. Okay. So next is question number 6. An electromagnetic wave is going through vacuum is described by E is equal to E0 sin kx minus omega t. That is a normal wave, a transverse wave. B is equal to B0 sin kx minus omega t. Alright. So which of the following equation is true? Okay. So we know that E0 by B0 is equal to C. This we all know this one, right? E0 by B0, C. Or what is E by B? E by B is equal to B. Okay, in that particular medium. If it is vacuum, it will be C. That is why we have considered C. Alright. Then what is K? Wave number K is equal to 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi by lambda. And what is omega? 2 pi nu. Or 2 pi f, whatever it is. 2 pi nu. This is frequency. Okay. Omega, angular frequency is equal to 2 pi nu. Then what is the relation connecting that? E0 into K is equal to B0 into omega. You can keep in your mind this also. Okay. And if you have doubt in this, I'll make it clear. So look at E0 by B0. What is E0 by B0? That will be omega by K. E0 by d0 is equal to omega by k. So what is omega by k actually? Look at this. Omega is 2 pi mu divided by 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi got cancelled. So mu lambda. What is mu lambda? C is equal to C. So E0 by 0 C, which is also C. So the relation is absolutely correct. Okay. So the question number 7. Question number 7. The frequency of a wave is 6 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. The wave is, okay, what is the answer? Answer is nothing but none of this above. Okay, none of the above. So this is not included. If you have read the thing that is electromagnetic spectra, then you would get it. It's pretty easy. So you have to read it again and again. Then you have to get an idea about that which wave is in which frequency range, like that. Okay. So question number 8. Next is 8, right? Okay. The radiation intensity 0.5 watt per meter square are striking a metal plate. The pressure on the metal plate is, this is also we have seen, right? Pressure on the metal plate. That is we have seen where? Properties of EM waves. In properties of EM waves. Alright. So the answer is pressure intensity per unit area is equal to P by V. So it will be 0.5 by 3 into 10 to the power 8. The values are given over there. So the value is equal to C. What is C? What is V here? V is nothing but C. 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. Substitute the value, then you will get it. Okay. So then question number 9. Question number 9. The light wave is travelling along y direction. If corresponding E vector at any time is travelling along x axis and the direction of B vector is along, alright, then which direction? This is minus z axis. Okay, why? E cross B. Always you consider, if suppose E is in this direction, B is in this direction, the value will be E cross B. So you know about cross product, right? So how do you take? Like this you can take, or screw rule you can apply. This is pretty easy thing only. E cross B. How do you take cross product and how do you determine the direction of cross product? That is the only thing you have to identify here. So that is I use my hand rule and thumb rule. So you can use screw rule or whatever it is. So it will be in this direction. So the answer is negative Z axis. So answer is D. Okay, then final question. If C is the speed of electromagnetic waves in vacuum, its speed in the medium, dielectric constant K, relative permeability, mu r is. It's very easy. That C is equal to 1 by root of mu 0 epsilon 0. What will be velocity in the medium? 1 by root of mu epsilon. 1 by root of mu epsilon, or also I can write B is equal to 1 by root of mu 0 mu r into epsilon 0 epsilon r. Alright, okay, so these are the questions we have discussed the theory very clearly. So you can go through it and you can solve the remaining problems. Okay.